Looking for the best dividend stocks to buy? You're in the right place. Dividend stocks are a savvy way to generate passive income. They are shares in companies that distribute profits back to shareholders, rewarding them for their investment. But remember, investing always requires due diligence. It's essential to understand the company, its industry, and its financial health before jumping in. So, let's dive into the world of dividends. Without further ado, here are the top 10 dividend stocks to consider. Kicking off our list is none other than Verizon Communications. This telecom services giant tops our list of the best dividend stocks to buy. With a trailing dividend yield of 6.53%, Verizon is trading at a striking 26% below our fair value estimate of $54 per share. Quite the bargain, wouldn't you say? Next up we have Johnson Johnson, a stalwart in the drug manufacturer's arena. This company is a dividend aristocrat, having raised its dividends for at least 25 consecutive years. It boasts a trailing dividend yield of 3.13% and is currently undervalued. Last but not least for this segment, we have Philip Morris International. This tobacco firm is trading 14% below our fair value estimate of $103. With a trailing dividend yield of 5.68%, it's certainly worth considering. These three stocks offer a variety of industries and yields, but they're just the start. Moving forward, we have Altria Group taking the fourth spot. This titan in the tobacco industry boasts a trailing dividend yield of 9.21%, making it the highest yielding stock this month. Trading 16% below our fair value estimate of $49 per share, Altria is not just about cigarettes. It's also exploring alternatives to traditional smoking. Next up is Comcast, a major player in the telecom services industry. Despite a lower trailing dividend yield of 2.94%, Comcast stock trades 34% below our $60 fair value estimate. Don't underestimate the power of pricing, as it's a key driver of Comcast performance. Last in this set, but certainly not the least, is Medtronic. This medical device juggernaut has a trailing dividend yield of 3.29% and trades 28% below our fair value estimate of $112. With a diversified product portfolio targeting a wide range of chronic diseases, Medtronic is a crucial partner for hospitals worldwide. These stocks not only provide high yields, but also show promising future prospects. Heading towards the end of our list, Pioneer Natural Resources seizes the seventh position. Sporting a trailing dividend yield of 4.02%, Pioneer operates in the oil and gas E&P industry. This stock is a bargain, trading 12% below our fair value estimate of $309. Notably, Pioneer is set to be acquired by ExxonMobil in a stock-for-stock deal by mid-2024. Next we have Duke Energy, a major player in the regulated electric utilities industry. With a trailing dividend yield of 4.19%, Duke Energy trades 15% below our fair value estimate of $112. As one of the largest regulated utilities in the United States, Duke has established a competitive edge in the market. Entering the banking sector, PNC Financial Services makes the cut. This regional banking powerhouse has a trailing dividend yield of 3.81%, trading 14% below our fair value estimate of $175. PNC's diversified fee base and well-positioned balance sheet make it an attractive pick in the current interest rate cycle. Finally, we have Kinder Morgan, a newcomer to our list. This oil and gas midstream industry player offers a promising trailing dividend yield of 6.19%. Trading 9% below our fair value estimate of $20, Kinder Morgan's impressive U.S. gas pipeline business and expected 2 to 3% dividend growth rate make it a stock to watch. These final four stocks round out our list with strong yields and potential for growth. And there you have it, the top 10 dividend stocks to buy. But remember, it's crucial to conduct your own research before making any investment decisions. Each of these stocks offers unique opportunities in their respective industries, from telecom services and drug manufacturers to tobacco and medical devices, all the way to energy and financial services. They each boast attractive trailing dividend yields, some even reaching up to just over 6%. But it's not just about the yield. It's also about how these companies are positioned within their markets and their growth prospects for the future. Remember the importance of diversification too. Spread your investments across different sectors to hedge against potential risks. These 10 stocks are a good starting point, but your portfolio should reflect your unique financial goals and risk tolerance. Remember, The best investment is the one that aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Happy investing!